Okay, so we're in Old Town Munich. Got some kind of cool stuff. You can sit out here. And we're gonna choose a street and focus on it. But Ross is gonna capture the general feeling before we even go up. Got these kind of cool alleys as well. Okay, so this is gonna be our starting spot. We're kind of in the old town in Munich, Germany. All right, so let's see. Yeah, pretty cool. Jesus, I wish I would have caught that on camera. I didn't. I just turned off the camera. So she goes 5 euros. And I just turned it off. Okay, so we're starting on this little street right here, which is this little tiny little street right there where that place is at. And what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go across the way and try to find where we want to film. The police station right there. So I think what we're going to be doing is probably going to be focusing on this street right here, which is Ledererstraße Street. Ledererstraße Street. And just kind of meander that way. It's not to see right in here. So this is the old town of Munich. I'm just going to go straight down and probably to that building right there, that yellow one. With our Geister, Japanese cuisine. I think you have these little courtyards too. I was kind of shown those in the other video. So this one, Mandarin China.
Oh, das ist schön. Da ist das gerade mit Dominik.
Okay. There's a lot of pizza places in this. The closer I get to Old Town, the more pizza places there are. So here's Pizzeria Napoletana. Actually, I'm going to be going to Naples tomorrow. So you're going to see videos of that coming up soon. But for the time being, we're doing Germany. I've had like pizza every day. I'm going to keep having more of those too. Oktoberfest. So yeah, we are in Bavaria. There's my... Okay, so now we're kind of in the more tourist area. Let's see, we're going to go down there in a second. I think this is a pretzel shop here. We'll continue on. And there's also places to eat in this area. Eat and drink. Let's see. Some kind of cool murals, statues too, like that one up straight ahead. And it is. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going all the way up to that archway. Okay, let's kind of take into consideration everything that we're here. We were basically on this road right here, which is Ledererstraße Street. Pretty cool. So let's head on down this way. I think right there is kind of the main tourist street right down that way. Oh. But I've been putting my street up here by this archway. Looks really inviting and cool. Oh, the sun just came out. Nice. Finally. Okay. A lot of stuff to film. Okay. So that's where we just came out of, that little space right there. I'm just gonna take a look down these other streets real quick. Okay. This is the old town Munich. I got the church bells going as well. And I am gonna come back down here for the conclusion part. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, so I think this was called Lederer Street. And we are going to conclude for that. Downtown Munich, Old Town Munich. Okay. Lederer Street.